Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's guide, I will show you how to reset your password or regain access and secure your account of the UAE pass in just a few steps. So make sure you follow this video until the very end. First of all, you will have to open your UAE pass application on your phone, or you can even follow the same process from the official website of uaepass.ae. So if you forgot your password, you will have to first click on this English button, and after that you will be redirected on this page where you need to press continue. Now if you have an existing account, so you need to tap on I have an existing account, and here you need to provide your Emirates ID number or your phone number that is linked to your UAE pass account. This helps verify your identity. So you will receive a one time password or OTP via SMS or email. So you need to enter the OTP in order to continue. If you don't receive the OTP, you need to check if your phone number is correct, or for email you can check the spam or the junk folder. Now once you have verified, you will be asked to create a new password or PIN. So you need to choose a strong password that's easy to remember but hard to guess. For extra security, you need to enable biometrics login or face ID. Now you need to log in with your new credentials to make sure everything works. If you still have issues, you can contact UAE Pass support through the help section in the application, and that's it. This is how you can recover your UAE Pass account. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more this type of content. Thank you so much for watching.